how to add a search bar and customize result pages in Wix. Okay, so the first step here is go to the Wix site search, the Wix app market, and search Wix site search. That's what I'm going to say. And we'll pick the blue one here. It's Wix site search by Wix. Click add to site, and we should have a search bar and a search results page. Alright, now as you can see here, we have a search bar and we have a Wix site search. If you go back to your home page here, you will notice that you will have a search bar in your header, and what the app also does is it adds a search results page in your website. It's a hidden page accessed by the viewer if they interact with your search bar. Pretty self-explanatory. So let's change up a few things here. To customize your search results page, we go to the the search results section. We go to them. Wait a minute. All right. We click the section search results and click settings. And here you can change up a few things. So for example, in the settings menu here, you can determine what to show on the search results. So you can have a category here. Alright, to add that, we can just add this page here. As of now, we don't have other labels, but if you have labels in your web page, it will be shown here. For example, you will have your products label, your image, your events, your portfolio label, and you can reorder them here. And you can show hidden pages if you want so. And next, you can edit your search bar display, so you can edit what the search bar displays. So for example, if you want to change it to search here, you can do that, and it will change this text here on the search bar to search here, or buy now, you can also do that. And also you can add an all tab in your search result in addition to your already added tags here. Of course, you can change the layout here, so you can determine the number of results per page, the alignment, and the pagination. And also you can click on the design here to change your search bar design. So for example, if you wanna, you can determine the background opacity and color of the search bar. You can edit the border width and so on and so forth. Pretty standard stuff. Now, one thing to note here is that it has one big issue as of currently, is that it cannot load and search videos in your website. So if you want to do so, I highly recommend you to add a link in your search results pages and add a link there to display your videos, maybe another blog post to in order for your viewer to be able to view your videos in your website. And that's it. You've added a search and a search page in your website. So let's see how it does in the real life. Let's publish this and let's go to my page. Now, there you go. So in your home page, you have your search bar now. And if I search something like events here, you will go to the search page here. And of course, this is not fully edited. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through how I will edit this search bar and search results page. Starting from the search bar, I think the previous design doesn't quite fit into the main design of my website. So I just go ahead and click to the search bar and click design, and I choose this template here, which fits much better in my opinion to my design. All right, and then I'm just gonna edit the search results page here. And for that, let's go to pages and menu, go to site menu and click search results. which is a hidden page because it can be accessed only if the viewer of your website interacts with your search bar. All right, so I think I'm going to ditch this black and white theme and just go to all off-white. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, much better. Now this is much clearer, much brighter, and I like this design more. And you know what? Let's change this search bar to be the same as this search bar we have on top here. So let's go ahead and do that. Settings, design, and search bar. Let's make the background color black and make the text white. So let's make it white or off-white like this. Let's see if it's better. All right, I'm gonna stick to just plain white here. All right, so now I have a good balance between um, the light and dark color here. Another thing that I want to edit is, let's just put this section a bit up here, and let's put the search results back to center. All right, let's see what else we can do here. We can also, oh yeah, let's find it here. Okay, let's change the placeholder text in our search results. So let's change it to buy now, and let's also change the layout here. Let's make it center, and pagination, let's go to a bit to the left. All right, I think that's pretty much it. um, I'm pretty sure you can explore much more than this and use the search bar to its fullest potential. I believe in you. I hope this helps. Thank you.